Could this be the ultimate urban commuter that folds up when you're done? Imagine an e-bike powerful enough for hills, goes for miles, and then just disappears into your trunk. Well, meet the Jasion EBS. This Jasion EBS isn't just another e-bike. It's built for convenience without sacrificing performance. Its 1,000-watt peak motor is no joke, delivering a powerful burst of energy. We're talking 25 miles per hour top speed and climbing 20-degree gradients with surprising ease. It genuinely feels responsive and quick off the line, great for urban traffic. Fueling all that is a robust 504 watt-hour battery, claiming up to 55 miles on a single charge. It's built in for water resistance, yet removable for convenient indoor charging, with a 4-hour fast charge. Riding comfort is key, and the Jasion EBS delivers. Those 20-inch fat tires provide incredible grip and stability across various surfaces. Paired with the front shock absorption, it really smooths out the bumps, making city streets and light trails feel much more forgiving. You'll appreciate feeling confident and planted. Now for the magic trick, it folds. At just 59 pounds, it's manageable enough to tuck into a car trunk or store in a small apartment. Don't let the folding design fool you. It boasts a 330-pound weight capacity, suitable for a wide range of riders. It's truly designed for practicality. The large LCD display keeps you informed with real-time data like speed, mileage, and battery life, which is super helpful. With 4 riding modes, from a gentle walking mode to full throttle or pedal assist, you can tailor your ride to exactly what you need at any moment. It's all about flexibility and control. Overall, the Jasion EBS is a remarkably versatile and powerful folding e-bike. It packs a punch with its motor and battery, offers a comfortable ride, and the folding design makes it incredibly practical. If you're looking for an e-bike that doesn't compromise on power or portability, it definitely deserves a closer look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.